In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows hardware and devices problems with Troubleshooter. So let's get started. Or in short, on how you can run the hardware and devices troubleshooter, and that is just very easy. So all you have to do is click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and then you have to click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. So in some cases, because of updates on your Windows and upgrades, you cannot find the hardware and devices troubleshooter from here. So as you can see, there is no hardware and devices troubleshooter. Well, do not worry because we can still access into that hardware and devices troubleshooter by using a command. But in case you can find it from here, well, pretty good. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. And here I'm going to paste this command. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. It's msdt.exe space hyphen ID space device diagnostic. Diagnostic is just one word and there is no space in between. Now hit enter. And this will appear the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices, find and fix problems with devices and hardware. Simply click on the next button and that will start to detect the problems. Okay, and that will also fix the issue for you. So that's it. So that's how we can do it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.